Now let's see how to draw kittens, coloring them and making puppets of them. I've taken the characters from the movie Aristocrats. I saw this one was the cutest kitten. So let me show you how I'm going to do these things. Just follow my drawing. So for the cats, they have whiskers and sharp ears. So almost like all the cats have the same shape. So they'll be either fat or thinner. So for this cat Mary, she has cute little eyelashes because she's a girl. And a cartoon cat, almost all cartoon characters have eyelashes for the girls and no eyelashes for the boy ones. So this one is sitting, it's in a sitting position. So look at how I'm drawing the legs. Just follow the same. So the faces differ. That's it. So this is the tail. The tail can be in different shapes and he has cute little bows and a hair bow too. I loved this hair bow. And now I'm going to color it. I'm going to give her some pink. That is how she looks in the cartoon. I just see, look at how I'm coloring it evenly. So it looks beautiful. This is a white cat, so I'm just giving some little outline with some silver, so it looks more bright. So for giving the outline, use the sharp edge of the pencil so it looks more bright. You can also use your black crayon or black pen or black felt pen, black sketch pens, so it looks more brighter if you want a brighter look. I'm just drawing with a pencil. Now Murray is done. Next let's do Toulouse. He has a blue bow and he's a boy cat. So look at his hair, and he has brown hair. Now Toulouse is done. The next cat I'm going to draw is Berlioz. He is also a boy cat. His skin is grey. So look how I'm going to do this cat. His hair is different. His bow is different. Now Berlioz is also done. There's Mary, Toulouse and Berlioz. All are done. Now let's see how to make puppets out of them. We have to first cut them into the shapes. So we are going to cut them and stick them to the cardboard or chart or any thick paper so they will stand stiff, and cut them into the shapes of the puppets. So for this I am going to use a waste sheet from the shirts. So you can reuse any cardboard or anything. Now all the 3 kittens are done. I'm going to show you how we are going to make the puppets. So I'm going to use popsicle sticks for this. You can either glue them or use a double side tape or a single side tape to stick to the popsicle sticks. You can also use a cardboard, a thick cardboard instead of the popsicle sticks. So I'm going to use a double side tape. It's easier with the kids. So I'm going to stick one side to the popsicle stick and the other side to the back of the puppets. Now they are ready for a puppet show.